Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create TikTok photo slide. So if you also want to create TikTok photo slide, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open your TikTok application. After TikTok is open, make sure to tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see a small photo from your gallery. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all the photos. Make sure select multiple is checked. Now what you have to do is tap on the photos that you want to upload. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can also add a sound over here. Simply tap on the option add sound. Now from here, you'll be able to add the sounds. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can also add the description. Use hashtags and mention to get more views. You can see other options over here. Adjust the options according to you. Now all you have to do is tap on the post option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here TikTok photo slide has been created. So that is how you create TikTok photo slide. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.